last week on Friday, there was a proceeding that took place in Minnesota in Derek Chauvin's case, and something happened on that Friday. We really don't know what it was, but then on Monday, something very interesting happened because the prosecutor's office actually filed a motion, sort of it felt like out of the blue because we weren't at the hearing on Friday, but what they're asking the court to do is basically reverse itself. So they're saying to the court, we know that the judge, we know you did something on Friday. We don't like what you did. So now please reverse that. That motion went out bright and early, or actually it was at 2:23 their time on Monday. So court happens Friday. The government files a motion Monday, and they're concerned because on Friday it looks like the judge actually disqualified 4 prosecutors who were working on the case, including the county attorney. So the head prosecutor for the county, or it may have been the attorney general. Anyway, somebody very high up. It was the county attorney, Michael Freeman, who is disqualified from the case. What the heck is that all about? Well, this is what the motion looks like. This is the state's notice of motion and a motion for reconsideration of the order prohibiting the participation of Michael O. Freeman. So what happened here is the judge said that this person is prohibited from working on this case. Michael O. Freeman and all of these other people are not allowed to work on the case. And the crux of that, the basis for that was that there was this violation. The judge believed that there was some impropriety about the interview that the prosecutors had with Dr. Baker, who did the autopsy in the case. They're saying that there was some improper meetings that took place, and they violated what's called the witness advocate rule, which is pretty important. So that's what happened. The government came back and they're saying, no, please don't disqualify us. Let us know, what you really meant in that oral motion or that oral order that took place on Friday, and we're going to learn more about what that judge said specifically. So the ruling on that should be forthcoming. Here is a copy of the minute entries from the court. You can see here that this hearing took place on 9/14, and all of this was taken under advisement on the 14th. They rescheduled the court date on 9/18. So this Friday, we should have some idea on what the judge is actually going to rule. So the government filed their response. They said, please don't kick us off the case. And now the judge is going to issue their ruling, presumably on Friday. So we'll keep you up to speed on that. This is a good time to hit the subscribe button so that you can follow along when we have these updates. And we're going to do these updates more regularly just so that we can stay on top of this stuff, because this stuff is happening relatively quickly. We want to make sure that we can keep you apprised of that. So nothing super groundbreaking there. This is all pretty traditional stuff, just more disclosure, more hearings, more rulings, except that they're trying to throw out the county attorney. They're trying to get rid of 4 really high up prosecutors in the county attorney's office, which is unusual. I mean, we just don't see that happen often, if ever. This is kind of a big disqualification if the judge makes it stand. They're going to disqualify the entire the county attorney and basically 3 of his deputies. So we'll see what happens with that.